Hi, welcome to my digital video class. In this class, let us see types of molecular symmetry point groups, relation with the polarity, types of symmetry point groups, serial numbers, again types of symmetry point groups given with the polarity, yes or no, examples of these symmetry point groups 1 to up to 7. Last one, general symmetry point groups, polarity if yes, if no. These are the symmetry point groups, polarity yes, and condition mentioned in simple notation. These are the symmetry point groups, polarity no. Let us see what is polarity. Polarity of a molecule is the presence of overall resultant dipole moment in the molecule. It means that if a molecule is polar, it means there is presence of overall resultant dipole moment in the molecule. Let us see condition for the polarity. There should not be C2 dash, or there should not be sigma H, or there should not be sigma D, or there should not be I. Then these symmetry point groups are polar. Yes, only one exception for sigma H, CS. CS is polar. Even sigma H present also, exceptional case. You can remember easily here highlighted in yellow color. CS, sigma H is present. Let us start from the above. Low symmetry point groups which are non-axial symmetry point groups, C1, Ci, Cs, C1 polarity S, no C2 dash, no sigma H, no sigma D, and no I. Ci, I present, polarity no. Cs, sigma H is present, but still is polar S. One exception you can remember. Cn symmetry point groups, from C and S symmetry point groups, C2 up to C8 polarity S, because no C2 dash, no sigma H, no sigma D, and no I. Let us see what is this C2 dash is equals to C2 perpendicular to Cn principal axis. Okay, C2 up to C8 polarity S. Sn symmetry point groups, S2 up to S14 polarity is no. CNV symmetry point groups, C2V up to C8V polarity S, because no C2 dash, no sigma H, no sigma D, and no I. CNH symmetry point groups, sigma H is present, C2H up to C8H polarity no. D symmetry point groups, Dn symmetry point groups, D2 up to D8, C2 dash is present, no no polarity, because C2 dash is present, D2 up to D8. DND symmetry point groups, D2D up to D8D polarity is no, because sigma D present. DNH symmetry point groups, D2H up to D8H polarity is no, because sigma H present. Linear symmetry point groups, C infinity V and D infinity H, from C and D symmetry point groups, only two, nothing here. Here sigma H present, polarity is no. Here no C2 dash, no sigma H, no sigma D, and no I. Polarity is yes. High symmetry point groups, which are cubic symmetry point groups, T, TD, TH, O, OH, I, IH. Here these are 7 symmetry point groups. That's why we considered for all these symmetry point groups up to 7 examples, 1 to 7. Here polarity is no, because in all these cubic symmetry point groups, C2 dash or sigma H or sigma D or I, any of these are present. Here sigma H present, here sigma H is present, here sigma H is present, here sigma D is present, here in T, O, I, any of these are present, C2 dash or sigma H or sigma D or I. That's why polarity no. Polarity if yes, these are symmetry point groups. Polarity no, these are the symmetry point groups. For a molecule or symmetry point group to be polar, there should not be C2 dash, there should not be sigma H, there should not be sigma D, or there should not be I. One and only exception for sigma H, CS. You see here C1, CS, CN, CNV, C infinity V. For polarity no, CI, SN, CNH, DN, DND, DNH, D infinity H, and all these cubic symmetry point groups T, TD, TH, O, OH, I, IH. Here T2 IH cubic symmetry point groups, polarity no. All D groups, DN 2 D infinity H. Here CN2 C infinity V, C groups 3. Here one C group CNH and one SN group and one low symmetry point group CI. In this way you can simply study the polarity of a molecule or symmetry point group easily. Thank you.